Hello, this is Gregory Joseph. Hey, it's Maine's Food Reviews coming once again from the power of YouTube.
What is in Greg's fridge?
Okay, guys, you requested it, and I'm gonna deliver it. So we are gonna go look at what's in my fridge, in my cupboards.
Yeah.
Chris, come on with me. I might need some help with this.
What do we eat at home? Let's see.
So this is what we eat at home.
Yeah, that's what.
What I eat.
Sometimes
At
he'll
home.
throw it in. You know,
We're gonna do
that's
Chris's fridge after.
Yeah.
We got some vegetables, which is scarce in my fridge. Some ground beef.
Only because of me, guys.
Some
He's got some
strawberries.
asparagus over there.
Some all beef ballpark hot dogs.
Yeah.
We got some. There's Kit Kat.
Yeah.
And then we got some Castle Rock bites from when we did our review. These are Chris's when he comes over.
Yeah.
Chicken. There's liver, guys. Grass fed. Natural pork.
Yeah.
Some chocolate chips. Some sausage.
Oh man, he's got a lot of stuff.
That's the freezer.
There you go.
Oh, and a exercise ball for my back.
Yeah. There's the fridge.
This is a fridge. Nectar.
Yogurt.
So our sternium bread, Sara Lee. Up in the back.
Yeah.
Cherries I bought yesterday. Some Monster, guys.
Yeah.
Some onions. Vegetable cream cheese. This is a little cheat on what we're going to be doing for our next video.
Yeah.
Flavored water, rip it. Mountain Dew in there.
Seltzer. Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Mm.
And this is
Yeah.
from
Stuff on top of the fridge. This is what Cat eats.
This is some
Oh,
cereals, popcorn.
Yeah.
I had so much food in here that I can't even put any more in. Crackle brand oat.
Yeah. Is that the one we gotta do video on?
Yeah, we already did it.
Oh, we did that video. Okay. Yeah.
More food. I gotta clean my cupboards actually. Oh, we're gonna do a video on this sometime too.
Yeah.
Hickory smoked spam. Some more room up there.
Flour. Chicken breasts. Yeah.
Kit food. And a couple. Well, Chris! What the heck, Chris? Chris farts. Chris, you can't control that.
That just came out on Sunday.
Oh my gosh, Chris. That's another video we're gonna be doing.
Oh my word.
To tease. Oh my gosh.
Oh my word.
Chris, that stinks. What did you eat? Chinese?
I don't know. It just came out.
A little bit of poo platter for 500.
I didn't know it would be that bad.
Then you got some more stuff in here. Chicken, frozen chicken. Shoulder. Some fettuccine alfredo, some sweet and sour. Beef. Oh, I forgot I had that. Bacon. yeah, that's about it, guys. I know that's not too much food, but sorry about the disappointment on the food, guys. But I bet Chris's refrigerator is more fully than mine, so I know I got very little food, guys. And of course, Chris is leaving his stuff out on.
Yeah.
Oh, and I got this too, guys. Some
yeah,
Kroger
yeah.
food.
Yeah.
So, anyway, guys, yeah, that's not much food, right, Chris?
Yeah. Don't go in that kitchen for
Yeah.
skinny.
Chris! Oh my God, Chris is always doing this to me.
I don't know why.
I never pass gas in front
Oh,
of
my
you, Chris.
word.
I never pass gas.
No,
in
he
front
never
of you.
does. Right.
Anyway, guys, yeah. So anyway, guys, that's my fridge and the freezer and my cupboards.
Now,
Anyway,
what could
guys.
be in mine?
We'll know on the second video.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Fuck you.
guys, subscribe to my channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more dishes like that. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button. As always, peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.